I've got about 160 left. That's mine then. What about electric? Well, I can't afford to pay for the electric. I'll have to go in fucking debt. This is smart, hey. Over the border. That electric's a smart meter. Right? I still get charged for the electric, but then I owe a massive bill. I'm gonna run up a massive bill. And when it's a massive bill, I change companies. So my electric's going to be on for free the next 2 months. Yeah, I'm going to turn this hoodie up to about 28 degrees from 21. Right, so it'll be red fucking roasting. I'm not paying electric this month. I'm not paying electric next month. First week in January, I'm going to ring up and change the company to someone else. Yeah.